Hello traders, it's Wednesday, 21st of February, and I have two trading ideas which I would like to share with you. First thing, we need to take a look at the calendar. Remember, today afternoon at 7 o'clock London time, we'll know the minutes of the FOMC meeting which was held 2 weeks ago. It might be a bit volatile event, maybe not much, maybe 20, maybe 30 pips, but anyway, we need to remember about this event which will happen about 8.5 hours from now. But going back to the ideas, trading ideas. First trading ideas, I believe I found here on this dollar with Swiss franc. Why? On daily chart we can see that MACD just started breaking down, what usually signals a bearish phase, at least a bearish swing. Look what happened before. When MACD was changing to bearish, we saw that the market was turning around. For an example, this situation here was a signal that the market is gonna go down. The same happened here also when we see this. And of course it works both sides, so when MACD turns to green, it also signals a, let's say, bullish season. The same happens here. So I believe that this is also a sign of some bearishness on this pair. The yesterday's candle closed on bearish. So this is the candle, this is our signal candle, and I believe that we can expect a pull down. I don't know how much, but the chance is big. The probability that the market will turn around and begin a downswing is much higher than the probability that they will follow this swing up. This is my first idea, and by the way, if we take a look at the 5-minute chart, because we need to know when to enter. The direction is known, or let's say expected, but what happens if we go to the 5-minute chart and I open a trade today in the morning? I open it here. This is my trade which with my take profit around this level. This is about 20 pips. Why I open it? Because I saw on the higher time frame that the MACD is falling, and probably it will signal some bearishness, but to precisely enter, I look always on the MACD. When I found that MACD is turning around and is over the zero line, this was for me a signal to open, and this was the moment when I opened the trade, and I hope that it will give us more pips here. So I hope that this will be closed and this will give me some profits, but it might be a deeper move down. And the second idea is something which is still not, let's say it's a plan, but we need for things to happen to open a trade. We see that MACD on 4-hour chart on gold is also growing like it was doing before. I'm waiting for the first bearish signal here. What means bearish signal? It means that I'm waiting for a red bar like this. If I see a red bar like this, it might be really a good opportunity to short gold. Of course, not now, because we don't know if this candle, which will close in 33 minutes, will it close on bearish or not. It's at the moment bullish. But if, let's say this candle is closed on green, okay, no action. Next candle, maybe they will pull higher and they will try to test this supply zone, no action. But if they hit this zone and start reversing, and then MACD goes red, means bearish, this will be a signal for us to short gold. Look at how to plan this trade. We need to go to lower time frames and find the moment to join this move down. And I believe a good time frame would be 5-minute chart again. If I see on the 4-hour chart a bearish candle on MACD, I would like to join this downtrend or beginning of a downswing, but not faster than I see MACD over the zero line like that. So in case of this gold, we need to wait a bit. We need to be very patient and watch the MACD. If MACD goes like this for some time and then we see a red bar here, it could be a moment to enter a sell. But main reason for which I would start selling on MACD over the zero line is, of course, what will happen on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is the main, let's say, driver for this setup. As long as I don't see a red bar like I saw it here, I will be not shorting gold. So once again, patience is needed here. Absolutely, it's a very important thing.